So good day everyone. My name is Moran Princess JA and today I will be reporting about hip hop dance. So hip hop dance is a style of dance performed to hip hop music and developed as part of hip hop culture. It includes various styles such as breaking, locking, and popping, which were created in the 1970s and made popular by dance crews in the United States. Hip hop dance first gained popularity in the South Bronx, New York City during the late 1970s. At that time, many young African American and Latino communities used dance as a way to express themselves through movement. As time passed, dancers developed new styles by combining elements from other dances such as jazz, tap, and breakdance. Hip hop dance quickly spread across the United States and later around the world. In the 1980s, it became more popular through music videos and movies. Today, hip hop dance is one of the most popular dance styles worldwide and can be seen in many forms, including breakdance, popping, and locking. And that's all for my report. Thank you for listening.
Good day everyone, I am Sarah A. Ali from BSM 2A. So ito na po yung continuations ng aming report about hip-hop dance. So this is the style or forms of hip-hop dance. So the first is break dance. It is a form of street dance na originated siya in the Bronx in New York during 1970s, commonly performed to hip-hop music. So meron siyang four types of moves which is the top rock, down rock, power moves, and freeze. So ang breakdance is madalas makita sa street dance competitions like barangay events, school programs, and small shows. Examples ng mga moves is hat spin, wild mill, freeze, at karaniwan itong sinasayan ng mga lalaki at babae sa hip-hop battles. So the next is house dance. So ang house dance naman is the free street dance and social dance. Originated naman ito sa Chicago in the 1980s. This style is also known as the unique footwork and body isolations. So meron siyang fundamental elements which is the chucking, footwork, and lifting. So, ang house dance is madalas ginagamit sa dance classes, dance fitness, and club-style performance. Ang example moves naman ito is footwork, shuffle step, chucking. Sinasayaw ito sa electronic or house music and popular sa dance studios. Number 3 naman is the locking. Locking is the funky style dance developed in the Los Angeles in the late 1960s. Ito na yung combination of fast movement and freezing. So ang mga tawag dun sa mga nag-perform ng locking is lockers. So ang locking is common sa cheer dance, K-pop covers, and school performance. Ang examples moves niya is yung pointing, wrist rolls, locks, at biglang hinto ng galaw. Masaya at expressive kaya madalas ginagamit sa group dances. So the next naman is popping. So ang popping naman is the style of street dance developed in Fresco, California in the late 1960s, characterized as slow tempo and abrupt and jerky movement called claps. So, ang popping naman is madalas makita sa TikTok dances, talent show, at hip-hop routines. Ang example moves nila is robot dance, waving, popping masas. Ginagamit para magmukhang mechanical or robotic ang galaw. So, yun lang po. Thank you.
Hip-hop dance is originated siya sa Bronx, USA noong late 1960s. So, nagsimula siya bilang isang paraan ng pagpapahayag ng mga tao sa gitna ng mga problema sa socio-economics. So, si DJ Kool Herc is isa siyang Jamaican DJ na nag-organize ng mga block party at nagpakilala ng mga break beats. So, naging batayan ng hip-hop, music at dance. So, sa party na yun is ipinakita niya ang kanyang mga skills na humantong sa paglikha ng iba't ibang key styles ng sayaw. So, ang mga estilo ng hip-hop dance is the breaking. So, pag sinabi nating breaking is ito yung acrobatic moves at footwork na ginagawa ng mga break ng mga kanta. Kilala ito sa pagiging athletic at energetic. So, sa locking at popping naman is nagmula yan sa West Coast. Ang mga estilo ng funk na ito ay nagmula sa mga grupo tulad ng Electric Boogaloo. Ang locking is mga mabilis na paggalaw. So, very speed siya. So, habang ang popping ay may paggalaw ng mga kalamnan na parang robot.
My name is Saima Usman and my topic is cultural significance of hip-hop dance. So, ang hip-hop dance ay hindi lang ito basta simpleng sayaw lang. Ito ay bahagi ng isang mas lawak na cultural movement na nagmula sa mga urban communities, lalo na sa mga kabataan. Kasama sa movement na ito is ang DJing or ang pagtutugtog and pagmimix ng music, and also ang emceeing or yung rapping, and last is graffiti art or yung visual artwork na karaniwang makikita sa pader. So noong 1970s, naimbento ang salitang hip-hop para tukuyin or malaman ang bagong kultura na nabuo mula sa creativity at experience ng marginalized youth or yung mga kabataan. Or ang mga kabataan na madalas hindi naririnig or napapansin ng lipunan. So ang hip-hop ay naging paraan ang naging paraan nila para ipahayag ang kanilang identity, frustration, dreams, and kung ano yung kwento nila sa buhay. So, ang dance style na ito is hindi basta-basta ginawa lang or lumitaw. Nabuo ito mula sa iba't ibang musical at dance influences. So, kabilang ang funky music ni James Brown, break beats at improvisation. Kapag sinabing improvisation, ibig sabihin hindi kailangan ang fixed choreography. So, kadalasan, freestyle at expressive movements lang. So, dahil dito, ang hip-hop dance ay naging simbolo ng freedom of expression, activity, and individuality. So, next is mainstream recognition and evolution. So, pagsapit ng 1980s, nagkaroon ng malaking pagbabago. Napansin and tinanggap na ng mas maraming tao ang hip-hop dance. Unang makita ito sa pelikulang Breaking and Beat Street na nagpakita sa mundo ng culture and talento ng hip-hop dancers. So, dahil sa mga pelikulang ito, mas maraming tao or kahit na hindi taga-urban communities is na-inspire and gusto din nilang matutong sumayaw ng hip-hop. So, sa panahong ring ito, sumikat ang dance battles. Ito yung mga friendly competition kung saan nagtatagisan ang mga dancers para ipakita ang kanilang skills, creativity, styles, and story. So, ang dance battles is hindi lang ito basta laban lang. Para ito siyang pagbuo ng community, respect, and yun. So, habang tumatagal, patuloy pang nagbabago yung hip-hop. Marami ng bagong styles ang sumulpot tulad ng popping, locking, cramping, at urban choreography. Pero kahit na nag-evolve ito, nakaugat pa rin yung original culture, respect, creativity, and community. So sa panahon natin ngayon, ang hip-hop dance ay isa ng global phenomenon. Makita mo ito kahit saan, like sa music videos, concerts, TV talent shows, and social media dances. And also sa live performance din sa buong mundo. So in short, ang hip-hop dance is kwento ng isang resilience and creativity mula sa maliit na community ng mga kabataan. Umangat ito at naging international art form, and also ang hip-hop ay isang patunay na kapag pinagsama ang talento, creativity, passion, and community is maaari itong maging isang powerful cultural force na magbabago sa mundo. Yun lang.
Good day everyone, I am Muhairin Chain M. Boting. So today, I will report about the different steps in hip-hop dance. Hip-hop dance is known for its energetic, expressive, and powerful movements. So it allow dancers to show their personality, emotions, and creativity. So there are many styles and steps in hip-hop, but today I will explain some of the most popular ones. So the first step is top rock. So ang top rock po is ginagawa siya habang nakatayo. So kadalasan ito ang first step sa dance routine bago pumunta sa floor moves. So may kasamang footwork at galaw ng kamay. So makikita ang confidence at sariling style ng dancer dito sa top rock. So the next is six step. So dito sa six step is isang basic move sa break dancing. So ginagawa ito sa sahig habang umiikot ang galaw ng paa sa 6 na bilang. Kasi 6 steps. So ginagamit din ang kamay para suportahan ang katawan. So nakakatulong ito sa balance at control ng isang dancer. The third is doggy. So doggy is sumikat siya dahil sa kantang Teach Me How to Doggy. So ang galaw nito is shoulder movement at galaw ng kamay. So dapat relax lang ang katawan at pinapakita dito ang confidence at swag. Ang pang-apat is ang wave. So ang wave ay isang move na parang alon ng katawan, or parang alon ang galaw ng katawan. So nagsisimula ito sa kamay papunta sa braso, dibdib, at pababa sa paa. So kailangan din dito ang smooth at maayos na galaw. So the last one is ang Harlem Shake. So ang Harlem Shake ay isang energetic move na may mabilis na galaw. Isang energetic move na may mabilis na galaw ng balikat at braso. So kadalasan hindi masyado gumagalaw ang paa. So ginagamit ito para madagdagan ng energy at saya sa sayaw. So these hip-hop steps is nagpapakita kung gaano ka-enjoy at ka-creative ang hip-hop dance. So bawat galaw ay may sariling style. So kapag natutunan ang mga ito, mas gaganda at mas magiging confident ang performance.